Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to give you the introduction of basic Solidworks drafting features. So for that I have created one part over here where you can see the hole in middle, and yes, it is a cylindrical component so that we can understand better, right? If you want to directly move to the drawing section, then you don't have to create the new and go to the drawing, then import the part and all, right? You can just directly go to make drawing from part. If you click the save and insert, then you have to save the part wherever you want. Let's say trash and part whatever. Okay, then you can select the sheet, which is okay, A4. Now I'm done. As you can see in the sidebar, there are many views where you can just drag them into this. Okay, just like that, it is a projection. Now if you forgot to project, right? If you forgot to you are not getting the task pane here, right? So what you can do, you can just go to the projected view where you can select this part, and wherever you want you can just drag, move or something like that. Okay, so it will move. Not showing hole here because the hidden line will be not there, so you have to click this one, hidden, and then it will show something like that, right? Now coming to the point, there is a auxiliary view option is there also, where you can select any reference edge and it will create an auxiliary view like that. I'm not using that option much for me. And yes, the next one is a section view, which is most useful command, right? Where you can section your part in the from the middle and it will show the section here, right? Something like that. Let's cut the part first. I'm going to delete this projections. I don't want that right now. Let's say if you want to create the section view, so you have to align your cutting line where your cutting line should be, right? If I say cutting line will be there and okay, then it will show the section here. Okay, section BB. Okay, for the complex part I will give the introduction of these all section lines. Okay, this is the align where you can cut in into the angle, then it will be something like that where you it will go linear, also angle. So that's how you can create. We will use that in future parts. Okay, in mold section I have used this mostly, very useful to showcase the different hole and features location, right? Next one is a detail view, which is most useful command, where you can just give the create a okay and circle and it will create the detail section. If your feature is too small to showcase in the drawing, then you can click the detail view where you can scale your detail section as well. Okay, so it will be better to show them, right? And these are the standard view where you can just click on this and it will create a standard view of that. Okay, now if your part is too long, then you can use break view. Okay, this commands we will explore in the future. Okay, in the next video we will explore this. So for now you can use this command and practice by yourself and explore more and more. If you have any doubt, you can just pin in the comment section. I will help you out. Okay, so thanks for watching video. Keep loving, keep supporting. Thank you.